Page 24, theme from Solace. Is that how it's pronounced? I don't know. It's a Mexican Serenade. It's a really pretty piece. Again, you pretty much play it like it says. I will offer a couple of minor changes. At the beginning, you see the fermatas there on the 8th note. Those are usually held out. And notice each time you get those, the pedal's down. We reinforce it with the pedal, and it's the only time. Otherwise, the pedal's up because this is a light piece. But right there on those, the mood changes. And then suddenly it's light. But just keep it light. Fingering, a couple of things in the right hand. Page 24, second line, second measure. They say 1, 2, and 4. Unnecessary. Just do a 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. And then a 4, and then the next measure it's a 3. And then the last line, it's a 3. I recommend a 3 on the first note because you played a 2. You used the B flat with a 2 on the previous note. Now I'm recommending a 3. Last measure of that page, on page 24, again, 1, 2, 3, 5. And then we're back to our pedal, and then take off again. Now, when you get over to page 25, second line, second measure, go ahead and finger it the way they've got, because other things are happening, so we're stuck with that. Page 25, third line down, first measure. The last note in the right hand, I play the thumb on that D. And then a 2 on the next D, like they're telling you to. So that measure, the first measure is that. So the last 2 lines on page 25 would be something like this. First ending, you back to here again, and you go back to the top of page 24 where they're telling you to. Otherwise, the fingering in the last measure, in the second ending, the last measure at the bottom of page 25, you have the thumb here, you 2-5 on that last one. That's a chord, so just do that. Now they're also pedaling the last measure there at the second ending. Because the pedaling is used so little, I'm not going to bother to show it. You can do the pedaling, just do what they're telling you to do, you're fine. Just don't pedal anywhere else. So let's play this together slowly. I'm going to hold those fermatas out on the quarter notes. I'm going to hold them out a full beat for each 8th note. So it would be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, it'd be a 1. They should be longer than that, but I'm just doubling it is fine. You get the idea. It says detached. Well, I do the left hand detached. I don't do the right hand detached so much, but you can listen to recordings of it, so you decide where the articulation is. What do you want to connect and what's detached? And don't just listen to 1 or 2 people play it. Listen to a bunch of people play it so you get an idea of all the different ways these things can be played. I'm going to give us 3 counts, then we'll come in. And we'll play this whole thing, just like it's written. First and second endings, everything. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. Your foot's on the pedal, and we're ready. 1, 2, go, and 1. 3. Repeat.